Hey guys, what is up? I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix this message on an iPhone without needing another Apple ID. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel because I make tons of content just like this that you definitely do not want to miss. Let's get into the video. So guys, here is one of my examples, which is YouTube. So if we go ahead and scroll down here on YouTube, you'll see right there it says requires iOS 11 or later. So in order to get this on the iPhone 4S, it's actually not a hard process, but I've seen a lot of YouTube videos where they ask you to go into your purchases and download it there. Well, what if you don't have it in your purchase tab? This method, in my opinion, is a lot easier, and it also makes it so you can install a lot more apps. So if I go ahead and tap this button right here, and you can see that is an iCloud button. So I've already downloaded this before, but even if I hadn't, this message still comes up. Unable to purchase, not compatible with this iPhone. So go ahead and click OK, and just come on out of the app. So guys, in order to do this, you are going to need to be jailbroken, but don't worry, that's a very easy process to do. Jailbreaking is extremely easy, and I have a video right here that you can watch for iOS 9 and iOS 10. So choose whichever video up here that is the one that you need. If you're doing iOS 10, it'll work as well. And it also works on both iPads, iPhones, and iPods. So now that we got that out of the way, once you're jailbroken, just go ahead and go into Cydia. So inside of Cydia, head on over to Sources, click Edit, and then Add. Go ahead and type in this URL and click Add Source. It is now updating the sources, and go ahead and click Return to Cydia, and then scroll down until you see IPG's Cydia repo. That's the one we want. Go ahead and tap that, go to All Packages, and then look at Checkmate Store right here. This is the one we want. Disable capability limits in the App Store. That's exactly what we need, so go ahead and tap Checkmate Store. So inside of Checkmate Store, go ahead and click Modify and Install. Go ahead and click Confirm and allow it to install. Once this is done, go ahead and click Restart Springboard. So once the springboard is restarted, go ahead and go back into your phone, head back into Cydia, head over to Installed. So once the springboard is restarted, go ahead and go back into your phone, head back into Cydia, head over to Installed, and you will see that we installed Checkmate Store. So if you don't see this, just scroll down and find it, and it should be in this list somewhere. So you see, we have Checkmate Store. Now let's go ahead back into the App Store. Now let me look up YouTube real quick. And now if I click the cloud button, it'll go ahead and download. Now you can see YouTube is now downloading, and YouTube is now downloaded, and you can see that YouTube is working. Now let's go ahead and move on to the iPad. So guys, here we are on the iPad. Same thing applies, need to be jailbroken. If you aren't already jailbroken, don't forget, watch these videos right up here, and they'll show you how to jailbreak your iPad, iPhone, and iPod. So let's go ahead into the App Store. So guys, here I am on the iPad on the YouTube app. So if I go ahead and click this, same thing happens, unable to purchase. Same message as on the iPhone. So guys, just head on back to the home screen and head on into Cydia. Head over to Sources, Edit, Add. Go ahead and type in that URL and click Add Source. It'll download the packages like on the iPhone, and you can go ahead and click Return to Cydia. Afterwards, click Done, and head on into the IPG Cydia repo that we just downloaded. So go into the IPG Cydia repo, go to All Packages, and then you see here, Checkmate Store, just like on the iPhone. We need to download that on the iPad as well. So go ahead and click Checkmate Store, click Modify, and Install. Go ahead and click Confirm, and it'll go ahead and download the packages. When it's done, go ahead and click Restart Springboard. Springboard is now restarted. Go ahead and slide it back to unlock it. And head on in back into Cydia. Head on over to Installed down here. And you should see Checkmate Store installed somewhere on here. If you don't see it because you already have stuff on here, just scroll through it and find Checkmate Store and see if you have it, just like on the iPhone. So, Checkmate Store is now installed, so you can leave Cydia and head back into the App Store. So back here on YouTube, I'm going to go ahead and try to download it again this time. And this time, we get this message instead of the unable to install message. So go ahead and click download. And just so you know guys, this will not break, it doesn't have any certificates, and will not revoke. So once you have it, you have it. YouTube is now on here until you ever want to delete it, but even then, you can just go ahead and reinstall it. And the cool thing about this tweak is it even works on all kinds of other apps. So let's look at Among Us. Requires iOS 10 or later. If I go ahead and try to install it, this works as well. So go ahead and download it, and you can see that it downloads. No strings attached, it completely works. Another question I know people will probably have, because this is a very popular app, but Netflix, we can go ahead and see down here, requires iOS 13 or later. If I go ahead and click download with Checkmate Store installed, I can go ahead and download it. So you can see guys, this is much better than the purchase tab way of doing it, because you can actually download these things even if you haven't downloaded them before. So any of these apps will work if you have Checkmate Store installed and you don't even need to have downloaded them before. So there is one other app I want to show you guys with this, and that is Procreate. So I know a lot of people would probably want to know if this works because I've seen a lot of comments on my Is the iPad 2 Good in 2020 video asking if it can run Procreate. You can't natively install it since it requires iOS 13.2 or later, but if you have Checkmate Store installed, you can download it. Just go ahead and click download and it works. Right on the device. iPad 2 has Procreate. And you can see all of these apps are on here. It worked. Everything here is great. But yeah, you guys can see that the YouTube app is working perfectly. All of these apps are going to work perfectly and they're never going to break or expire or anything. These are all just going to work. For as long as you have them downloaded, they're just going to work. So thank you guys so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe because it helps me out and I make tons of content just like this that you definitely do not want to miss. I'll see you guys in the next one.